as a principal, what are the changes? If you look back now, your whole journey as a principal, what are three or four changes? You have brought many changes, but what are the crucial changes under your leadership, which, when you look back, give you immense satisfaction? That these are the three, four changes that, like the 80-20 principle, that the four or five decision make the 80% of the results.
I would say addition of infrastructure and facilities time to time is
Okay.
one thing which gives me immense satisfaction. The minute I feel that this is the requirement of the children, we start working on to addition of that.
Like any
Like
recent thing
I'll tell
that,
you, 2 years back when we got this Atal Tinkering Lab from Niti
yeah.
Aayog, there was the time I thought because I could see, though they were very few in number, but few children were showing their interest to know more about space, and uh, and I think we are the first one in Delhi to open this astronomy lab in a school.
Oh,
So
wow.
that the lab was created and it was set up, and children started exposing to the labs. Initially, when we started the lab 2 years back, there were around only 9 to 10 children, and now we have more than 100 children exposing to the lab.
Wow.
So this is just one example. Okay, updating infrastructure and facilities as per the requirement of the children is something which gives me lots of
Absolutely.
satisfaction, that I understand the needs of my children and accordingly I'm able to provide the infrastructure. Second is uh, intense use of technology in the school. Children are very confident to use technology. They are
What about
safe
the
also. They
teachers?
teachers also. Teachers, the entire system. Like this title was awarded only after looking at the uses of the technology in the
Wow.
school. So technology is flowing in all the corners of the school. And then um, I'm very passionate about bringing lots of opportunities for children to feel fit and active. So addition of many games time to time, and then addition of fitness activities time to time. I feel that's the dire need of the time. Children really need to be very
Absolutely.
active and smart and confident. Because you look at the success story of any successful person, the person was very active and fit. So
Absolutely.
that's very important, that physical fitness should be taken care of. So there also we have added beautiful uh, play fields and beautiful courts for them to play and to grow with. And then life skills, no doubt, is the utmost importance in a school
Absolutely.
system, and we have been working through various ways to uh, give or create opportunities for
Can you
children to
throw
grow
some
in.
light on what kind of life skills, what are the activities that you do to give the best of life skills practices to the students?
See, we have special assemblies. Our assembly is entirely different. These are thematic assemblies.
Thematic
Thematic
assemblies.
assemblies, thematic assemblies,
Okay.
because life skill is not just something which can be taught using a book or some
Absolutely.
notes. This has to be practiced. So we do it through this, and then we have many kind of opportunities created. We have a beautiful kit which we use for talking about life skills. I won't use teaching of life skills. To my understanding, life skills can never be taught. It has to be demonstrated. Then, every classroom is well equipped with a smart board, and we bring some or other thing which connects them to life skills through those modules during the lunch time. And they are having their lunch. They have 25 minutes. So that is another way of, and then there's so many other ways of dealing with the life skills in the children, because that's very important.